Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today is March 16th. I want to give you a bi-weekly grow update. Okay, as you can see, a lot of these guys have really outgrown this system. Or they really need to be transplanted out. So I'm going to try to do that today, get them in something a little bigger. Same with these in the AeroGarden sprout. I've gotten a lot of these moved out of here, but the remaining plants have gotten pretty big. And then this is what I have left in the AeroGarden Bounty. It's a orange ribbon, daddle, and this is a King Star Peach Starkist. Yeah, this first one on the left here is a Reaper cross with Moruga, and there's a King Star Yellow Pumpkin. I believe that in the back is a Reaper, well, in the middle is a Reaper. 7-pot Lucy. I think there is a Tony Sherwood Primo Costa Carbonero. The very back's hard to see. This is a Blue Christmas. King Star White Tie. In the back, this is a Gochu. This guy here is a Cedrino from White Hot Peppers. And I think this is my Palmyra from pepperlover.com. Piment de Espelette. And this is a King Star Stargazer. So that's what's in the little DIY AeroGarden thing I made. What's left in the sprout and the bounty. Few that I'm in the process of moving out. These ones I've transplanted into cups. I want to try to move a lot of this stuff downstairs today. So let me get busy working on that and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so I've got most of these done up. I took a tip from Matt Garver, and this is just a temporary thing, but I took these that were in the wicking cups, the smaller ones, and just have them sitting in the solution on top. I have this in the DIY setup and in the bounty. You can see, and this kind of just lets these guys grow. And these are all my extras and like backup plants and things that some of these I'll give away to friends, but they're also backup plants in case something happens to others. So I've got a bunch that are actually doing really well in these cups, in these small cups. Got one sitting on top of the deck here, and these were kind of getting like this guy in the back, the Primo crossed with Carbonero. I was getting light blocked, so it has room for itself now. And this is a Jay's Red Ghost Scorpion cross with Moruga. I think it's a yellow pheno, so I'm going to leave it here a little bit longer. So yeah, so let me show you what I've got in the basement next. Okay, so the plant that was in the grow tent under the HLG light, I did a severe topping and I pruned the roots also. Moved it to a 5-gallon DWC setup. And it's outside of the grow tent, and I've got it under a Mr. Hua grow light. I think it's a 65 watt actual, I'm not sure. So it's just to kind of get it through until plant out time. I'll probably put this in a large cracky container later on, but I just needed the room in the grow tent. So these are all of my wicking cups that are the 20-ounce cups. Most of my chinenses are on the right side. See there? And I've got mostly annuums. There's maybe a bacatum in here of plants on the left. And this is under my HLG 100. I think I'm gonna, this one was a free, given to me by HLG for review purposes, but I love the light that I'm actually gonna purchase a second one, put in here. That'll give me better coverage for this whole tent. Yeah, so these, like this is a Blue Christmas. I just transplanted it. A few of the bigger plants are having a little harder time with the adjustment from hydro, like this Piment de Espelette. I don't even know if it may not make it, but it's keeping a close eye on it. But as you can see, most of these have done very well. I think transplanting them a little earlier than later is probably better. Yeah, like this is Chocolate Butla SM strain. It's the Steve McLaurin version. This is Elysium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Red. In the very back is Leviathan Gnarly Scorpion. There's a Reaper plant there. And these are scorpions and little cracky setups. I just transplanted them, so they don't look the best. But they're a 3-inch net pot fits in a wide mouth mason jar. So I've got these in half-gallon jars. So I think they'll be fine once they adjust. This purple pumpkin looks really good. You can see the little roots already coming out of it. These are how my little wicks are set up. I've got a video coming out showing how how I do these. It's really easy to do. Going forward, I'm going to possibly set up some totes or some container. I might could even use this and then lay something on top. But basically what I want to do is like feed through the wicks on each of these. I basically take these out of their bottom cups, put them in something larger, in the lid of something larger, and then let them all drink from a common reservoir. And that'll be easier on me to keep up with all these as they start to consume more at a faster rate. But this is just kind of the first stage, getting these down here. And these are all my main plants that I'm going to put outside. I think this is going to work so far so good. But anyway, that's my grow update, bi-weekly grow update. I started it yesterday on the 16th. Today is the 17th. I'll post updates every 2 weeks, so please subscribe and click the bell notification to get updates when I post new content. I'll show this grow throughout the entire growing season all the way to harvest and show you how they do. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.